Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Outre wig, but y'all, this one is different from my normal because today we're going to do a knotless braid wig. And let me tell you, I'm really super nervous because first off, I'm not gonna lie, I used to think those braided wigs was corny. I'm just like, that's gonna look crazy, and I don't want to see all that lace and them braids mixed together. But something in my mind telling me like I might love this actually, and I feel like why not give it a chance instead of talking junk about it, you know what I'm saying? Why not try it out? So we have an Outre lace frontal wig, and her name is, she doesn't have a name. Her name is just, well, the style is knotless square part braids, 26 inches, and I got it in the color 1B so I can be on the safe side, and nothing like a 1B natural color, just to blend in perfectly with what I normally get if I would have got like knotless braids. So let's get into it. This is the style of the wig. She comes in many colors. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig from Outre, and it is a pre-braided wig. So this is basically just showing you like how it should look, okay? Let's see, anyway parting. Baby hairs included, pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. What else? Yeah, comes in different colors. So this is the wig. The little baby hair is popping. This is the lace in the front with the baby hairs coming to life, and the elastic band. 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And this is our lace. Let's see. How is our lace? Okay, this is a 13x4. So we can part anywhere in this area. So I'm about to go cut it so we can go ahead and put this on. Okay, let's try it out. This is very lightweight, by the way, and this is the center. The lace is really not as bad as I thought it was going to be, and I kind of expected it. Well, of course I was hoping for the best, and it's actually not bad. And I like how the lace is kind of blended in with my hair, and it's very important when you're using a cap, make sure you use a cap that blends in with your skin. That's why I use the light brown one. 26 inches, knotless braids. These are the ends. I don't know how I feel though. I mean, I know how I feel. Like I'm impressed with how they look, but maybe I'm just not used to this, so it's like new for me. I got to adjust a little bit, but I don't have nothing to really complain about with this one at all. Like, I just gotta get used to it. I gotta get used to that I can jump from wig to wig, braid wig to braid wig. Okay? I kind of wish they were longer though. Like, for me, I like my braids to go all the way down to my booty. But this will do. This feels more like 18 inches though, instead of 26. Because maybe 26 goes all the way down to my butt. Maybe that's why I'm saying that. How should I do it though? Like this? I like it like this. I think I'm gonna do it like this. Hold on. This can be my little long edges. Ooh, my little long edge sideburns. Let me show you the back because I feel like it's important for me to show y'all how the back looks, because I don't know how the back looks, but I want to see it, so we both want to see it. So let me turn around so y'all can see it. So whatever this little patch is, make sure you secure that, sis. So you can't pull up all of this right here in the center, because you still want to hide this stuff, whatever this is. Still want to hide it, okay? So I say just wear it down. Wear it down. Don't lift it up unless you know that you hiding it and somebody confirms. I don't see whatever you talking about in the back of your head, okay? Let's be safe out here. Don't go out here looking crazy with the wig braid. I like how those parts look though. That looks really good. Okay. Anywho, y'all let me know in the comments what you feel about this. I'm still letting it adjust on me, you know? Would you buy this wig? Let me know in the comments your thoughts and your opinions. I would love to hear it, okay? I'm loving this more and more the more I play with it. Y'all gotta give me time with this one. This one is very new for you, girl, but I love the edges. Ah! I mean the sideburns. The sideburns is definitely giving. I might pull it back like this and just leave it like this for a while, because I just like how you can see my sideburns. Like, they're there for a reason. You need to see it, okay? Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for tuning in to my video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.